Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? It's me, Trevor again. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial video on how to change a timing belt on a 2001 Volvo V70. Here's the old timing belt. And I just want to make this real quick. You always want to make sure everything's on top dead center, so your cam down here is top dead center. Let's see if you can see it on my phone where I'm pointing. Right there, and then these ones top dead center. And to take off, I'm going to also do the water pump and this pulley right here, and then change out all the bolts. So I got my notches lined up down here at TDC. And then up here on TDC, it's pretty simple. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to comment down below, and like and subscribe my page for more upcoming videos. Alright, peace out, y'all. Get her done.